Hello students, today I want to explain you the concept of coordinate geometry. So students, the concept of coordinate geometry is generally used in the location of the point or object in a plane. So for that we have to understand the meaning of coordinate. So what is the meaning of coordinate? So suppose this is a number line. You know the number line. This is a starting point that is known as the origin. Right of the 0 there are positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. We take here infinite numbers, and the negative of the 0, left of the 0 there are negative numbers. Here also we take infinite numbers. Suppose this is here a point A. So what is the coordinate of A? So the coordinate of point A is equal to 2. If I write point B here, so what is the coordinate of point B? -1. So this is the meaning of coordinate. Now suppose we have to locate a position in a plane. So we want here the x-axis and y-axis. So this is the x-axis, horizontal line. This is known as x-axis, and this x-axis, if we intersect a perpendicular line, vertical axis perpendicular to this axis is known as the y-axis. The intersection point is known as the origin. This is called origin. Here also the right of the 0 there are positive numbers, and left of the 0 we take negative numbers. And above the x-axis, that is, this is a positive direction of y-axis, we take here positive numbers. And below the y-axis, below the x-axis, there is a negative direction of y-axis. So we write here y dash, and here we write x dash. -1, -2, -3, -4. We take here infinite numbers. Now suppose this is a number, this is a position of object at point P. So what are the coordinates of this? We have to write the coordinates in two numbers, that is, first we write x-axis x, and then we write y. So what is the coordinate of x-axis? 4 here, and here the coordinate of y-axis 3. So the coordinates of point P equal to 4, 3, and suppose this is the point Q. So what are the coordinates of this point? First we write x, that is -5, and then we write y, -2. So the coordinates of point Q is equal to -5 and minus 2. So these are the coordinates. Now what is the meaning of quadrants? This x-axis and this y-axis, these are perpendicular to each other, and due to this plane is divided into 4 parts, and each part is known as a quadrant. That is, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Now the first quadrant has all the positive coordinates. See here, the coordinate of point P is 4, 3. So 4 is a positive and 3 is also positive. So in this quadrant we get all the positive coordinate, that is plus plus. X is positive, y is also positive. Suppose this is a point A, and if we write the x coordinate and y coordinate, the x coordinate is what, minus 2, and y coordinate is 2. First of all we have to write x and then y. So x is negative and y is positive. So in second quadrant, x coordinate is minus and y coordinate is plus. So in this quadrant the coordinate sign minus plus, that is x coordinate minus and y coordinates plus. Here, see here, the coordinates of point Q, x coordinate minus 5 and y coordinates minus 2, that means both are negative. That means in third quadrant both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, suppose this is a point B. What are the coordinates of this point? First of all we write x, that is plus 5, and then we write minus 3, that is y coordinate. So in fourth quadrant the sign of the coordinates are plus minus, that is x positive and y negative. So for first quadrant the coordinates, that is plus plus. So students, I hope you understood the concept of coordinate geometry.